let's understand different types of fire extinguishers used in the workshop. There are 4 types of fire extinguisher: water-filled extinguisher, foam extinguisher, dry powder extinguisher, carbon dioxide extinguisher. Let's learn these extinguishers in detail. Water-filled fire extinguisher. It is used for the Class A fire only, not for the Class B and Class C fire. It removes heat element from the fire triangle. Note: do not use water-filled extinguisher to extinguish flammable and electrical fire. Foam extinguisher. This is used for Class A and Class B fire that involves flammable liquid like oil and fats, etc. Foam extinguisher removes the oxygen from fire triangle. Dry powder extinguisher. It is a multi-purpose extinguisher that is used to extinguish Class A, Class B, and Class C fire. Dry powder extinguisher extinguishes the fire by separating the fuel from the oxygen with the help of a thin powder layer. This kind of extinguisher is used to handle the fire involving metals such as sodium, magnesium, lithium, and aluminum. Carbon dioxide extinguisher. This type of extinguisher is used for Class B and Class C fire. It extinguishes fire by removing the oxygen from the fire triangle. It contains non-flammable liquid carbon dioxide that convert it into the gas when it escapes with high pressure. After learning about the types of fire extinguishers, let's learn about the color coding of fire extinguisher. Color coding of extinguisher enables the user to easily identify specific fire extinguisher when required. Color code is marked on a band, which is placed on the front of the extinguisher. Each fire extinguisher has a particular color code that distinguishes it from others. Dry powder fire extinguisher has blue color band attached on it, and it is used to extinguish Class A, Class B, and Class C fire. Foam type fire extinguisher has cream color band carried on the extinguisher, and it is used to extinguish Class A and Class B fire. Water fire extinguisher has red color band, and it is used to extinguish Class A fire. Carbon dioxide fire extinguisher has black color strip on it, and it is used to put out Class B and Class C fire. Choosing fire extinguishers. Now, let's understand selection of fire extinguisher. Using inappropriate fire extinguisher to fight a fire can result into severe injuries. Therefore, selection of specific fire extinguisher is very necessary for firefighting. First, identify the risk of fire and determine type of extinguisher required. For example, if water-filled extinguisher is used on the flammable liquid fire or on electrical fire, it causes harm to the workers. Choose extinguisher that can resist the atmospheric condition and prevent itself from any damage. For example, select an extinguisher that can resist the corrosion under the corrosive fumes. It is recommended to select extinguisher for Class C on the basis of construction, size, and combustible nature of electrical equipment. Choose extinguisher according to the physical abilities of the person who will use them. Let's know about allocation and setting of fire extinguishers in the workshop. Allocation of fire extinguishers at the right place is important, so that they can be easily reached in an emergency. Never allocate the extinguishers where they might be dangerous to the workers. Before commencing the fixing of extinguishers, make sure the wall to be drilled is free from any hidden electrical cables. Locate the extinguishers on the brackets or stands from where they can be easily visible to the users. Locate the extinguishers near the room that contains electrical equipment. Locate the fire extinguisher at the nearest place from the site of accidental zone so that it can be easily accessible. Different types of fire extinguishers should be fixed to the relevant position of fire risk. Fix the fire extinguishers at the fire exit route. Operating instructions and identification marks should be located adjacent to extinguishers mounted on the wall. Let's learn maintenance of fire extinguisher. Maintenance of fire extinguisher is necessary to ensure that extinguisher will work efficiently when required. Maintenance of extinguisher consists of regular inspections, recharging, servicing, record keeping. Now, let's understand extinguishers maintenance in detail. Regular inspections. Inspect the extinguisher at least once in a month for its working condition and accessibility in the workshop. Ensure that safety pin, nozzle, pressure gauge, tube, and handles are working properly. Recharging. Recharge the extinguisher immediately when charge indicator shows charge status. Servicing. On the basis of monthly inspection, replacement of defective parts and extinguisher should be done under servicing. Make sure hydrostatic tests are conducted. Record keeping. Record keeping includes attaching a tag to every extinguisher, and this tag maintains record of inspection date, status of hydrostatic test, and type of extinguisher.